My name is Derek Cook. I'm here at the Keiser Daytona campus. I'm a medical assistant student here. I joined the military, the U.S. Navy, years ago. I did do volunteer work at Bethesda National Hospital up in Washington, D.C., and it was something that made me feel like I was contributing to the community. Fast forward years later, got out, found my way back into the medical field through a program while helping a fellow veteran who was involved in a motorcycle accident. It was a fast-track program that helped me stay on task and focus on one class at a time, also while I was working full-time and having a family life as well. I did my externship at a urgent care. It gives you a vast range of different things. You get to see different patients coming in, whether they're dealing with a viral infection or sprained an ankle or had a laceration, cleaning wounds and taking care of those things. So it keeps you very active, so it doesn't get boring. I found that the professors that I had were very knowledgeable. The X-ray professor was very knowledgeable, very hands-on. He's even reached out to me if I need any tutoring to get ready for my state regulation so I can become a certified X-ray tech. Being a 52-year-old male with a older son from a previous marriage and a young teenage daughter in high school, if you got the right support system, you can accomplish anything.